Okay, so I put a movie up and Rick said it was a little bit long and didn't show off enough stuff. So I'm going to come out here and do a little bit more filming so you can see how nice our little place is here in Redding, California. It's a work in progress, making lots of pretty flower gardens. I've got 13 rose bushes now. And Leah, come over here. Come here. Got a little raised bed garden going on here. We built some steps down. You can see all the, love it. I love spring. It's getting so pretty. And you can see right here we did, or I did actually, a little trippy thing where the rocks are here and separate the path. And the chicken coop is looking a little bit junky right now. Hey Leah. Leah. Hey you. She's always gathering rocks and sticks and piling them up over here. Okay, let's go down here. See how pretty it is. Got lots of pretty things to look at here. Here's the chickens. Stepping down, trying not to. Here, Leah, what are you doing? Huh? Where's those chickens? Are you choking on grass? Come on, you. Come see the chickens. Here's your chickens. Come on. There's your chickens. Leah. Here. She faces off with this red chicken here. She's gonna peck your nose. She's gonna get you, Leah. She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. You silly girl. She doesn't bark at him, she just likes to run around and jump at him, but this red one just faces her off. That's Ruby. What are you doing, Leah? Huh? What are you doing? You silly girl. Okay. Hey, don't scare them, Leah. Don't you scare those chickens.